We Don't Eat Our Classmates by Ryan T. Higgins. Hey kids, you will never be eaten by a T-Rex. They are extinct, I promise. Penelope Rex was nervous. It's not every day a little T-Rex starts school. What are my classmates going to be like? Will they be nice? How many teeth will they have? This was very important.
Will they have tails?
Penelope's mom bought her a new backpack with ponies on it.
Thanks, Mom!
Ponies were Penelope's favorite because ponies are delicious.
Yummy.
Penelope's dad packed her a lunch of 300 tuna sandwiches and 1 apple juice. Finally, the big day came, and Penelope Rex was very surprised to find out that all of her classmates were children!
What?
So she ate them, because children are delicious. Penelope Rex, said Miss Noodleman, we don't eat our classmates. Please spit them out at once. So she did.
What?
It was not the best way to start school.
Sorry.
Still, Penelope was determined to have a good first day. She tried hard to make friends at recess.
Come on, slide on in.
She finger painted some of her best work.
Ta-da!
She even saved Griffin Emery a seat at lunch. You can sit here.
On my plate.
Penelope started to notice everyone was making friends but her. It was lonely. When she got home, her dad asked about her first day of school.
How'd it go?
I didn't make any friends, Penelope cried. None of the children wanted to play with me. Penelope Rex, her father asked, did you eat your classmates? Well, maybe sort of, just a little bit.
But it's totally not my fault.
Sometimes it's hard to make friends, said her dad. Especially if you eat them.
They don't like that.
You see, Penelope, children are the same as us on the inside, just tastier.
Now go get ready for bed.
That gave Penelope a lot to think about.
They're just like us? Really?
The next day, Penelope tried really hard. But poor Penelope, she could not stop herself from eating her classmates. Miss Noodleman, Penelope ate William Amoto again.
That's not nice.
And they were all afraid of her. Except Walter. Walter was a goldfish. So Penelope tried to make friends with him. Will you be my friend?
My only friend.
Chomp! Eee! Cried Penelope. He's eating my finger! Wah! Once Penelope found out what it was like to be someone's snack, she lost her appetite for children. She stopped eating her classmates, even when Cece Woodman spilled barbecue sauce all over herself.
Are you all right, Penelope?
And soon, Penelope made friends. Found you. Want a brownie? I helped make them. Now, even when children look especially delicious. She peeks at Walter and remembers what it's like when someone tries to eat you. And Walter, the goldfish, stares right back at her and licks his lips. Because dinosaurs are delicious.